Hello everyone, my name is Pranav Kumar Raj. I am studying at the Ravensbourne University, London, and today I would like to talk about one of the major subject of my course. My course name is Project Management, and the major subject name is the Principles of Project Management. And in this reflection video, I would like to share my overall journey through the Principles of Project Management module and the development of my project portfolio. This process is very eye opening, and the experience that the challenge which I faced during my learning of this module. I also learned the several skills during this subject, like leadership skills, planning, communication, and the problem solving skill. Firstly, in this subject, I learned the four steps of the project management course, like a project initiation, planning, execution, and the closure of the project. While the project initiation is very important, if you want to start any kind of project, firstly you should initiate your project. How you can work in this project, so you should pre-plan your project. Then when you made a planning, it would be very helpful to complete whole the project. Then initial understanding of the project management. At the beginning of this module, my understanding of the project management was few. I mean that it was some limited. Then I saw it mostly as task scheduling and the meeting deadlines. However, after the learning a lot, I quickly realized that project management is a much broader discipline. It means that it's a wider space. It has a lot of knowledge that includes the settings, objective, leading terms, managing risk, and the ensuring quality outcomes. Ensuring quality outcomes means that some project should be delivered with the quality. When our customers check the quality of our project, what were the requirements of our customers, so we should meet the requirements. That's why our project quality is most important. This is expanded view helped me to understand how vital project management is, not just in a professional setting, but also in a community initiatives and real life applications as well. Moreover, uh, another next thing which I have learned in this subject, that was the skills, and the skills and the tool gained of one of the most valuable lesson was the most important of creating a well-defined project scope and using a smart objective. In the smart objective, our mentor taught us very important things, that we should include the percentages, time duration in our objective. So in only one line, a person can understand the our what is the our overall objective. Then I learned the one of the most important thing of my subject. It was the work breakdown structure. In the work breakdown structure, our whole project were distributed into the different tasks. It was in a five major tasks. Then after, due to WBS, we can make a Gnan chart. So a Gnan chart taught by my teacher, and it was very helpful for me. And in the future, it would be very helpful to complete any kind of project. In the Gnan chart, how to break down the large task into the manageable phases and organize timelines and identify deficiencies. Uh, it means that firstly, when I was learning a Gnan chart, I was facing many difficulties Then I learned the key functions of the Gantt chart. Firstly, I installed the MS Project software. In the MS Project software, firstly there was a task column. In the task column, we can add the different task names, and then there was a date column. In the date column, there are two options. Firstly, automated, and second one was manually. So firstly I learned to use automated column, so automated date. So when I enter the task, and the project software will make deadlines according to the task limits. Then dependencies. I added the dependencies I learned through my teacher. Then there was also a resource sheet. In the resource sheet, I added some resources names and the cost. In the resource sheet, I was adding fixed cost, and after adding the whole information, I could able to make a good Gantt chart. So these tools were essential for the staying on the track and the making sure nothing was missed during the planning and the execution phase. Now, I would like to talk about the challenge which I have faced during my this subject, and somehow my teacher and my friends played an important role from overcoming this kind of challenges. But firstly, I would discuss with the challenges first. The challenge was that a major challenge was that I faced. It was managing time effectively. Moreover, balancing this project with other academic responsibility, it was very difficult. I overcome this by using the tools like the Gantt chart and the personal calendar. But the Gantt chart was very informative for me, and due to using that, I overcome this challenge. And second one was I was facing difficulty into the deadlines and set priorities and the maintain consistent progress. So with the help of my friends, they helped me a lot, and I also read into the books about the uh, uh, challenge which I was facing. And my teacher suggested me the project principles of project management book. It was in our library, so I read whole the book, and I found the information about this. Moreover, another challenge which I was getting, it was about fictional team, means that which required me to simulate team dynamics and the thing as a real project manager would. Assigning the roles and the planning the team responsibility gave me a greater appreciation for the leadership and the delegation. Moreover, even in the hypothetical environment, uh, then after leadership style and the team dynamics, it was very helpful for me. For this subject, I adopted a transformational leadership style. And this transformational leadership style, I learned and I focused on the motivation, innovation, and the collaboration. Like I think something unique, and this kind of skills I believe that are more crucial for managing a project and a social impact. Although my team means that my all friends very helpful for me, and I would easily understand the whole concepts of my principles of project management subject. Then I would like to discuss about RSCI matrix. RSCI matrix helped me to assign clear responsibilities and the ensure there were no overlaps or the confusion. This exercise reinforced the importance of the clear communication and the role clarity in the any kind of project. Then after, risk and quality management plan. In the risk management plan, there were two things: likelihood into severity. I learned the risk involved into our project and how I can mitigate any kind of risk. So how to mitigate our risk in our project. These things I have learned into my subject. Then I also learned a quality management plan, and I also learned a communication plan, how to communicate in our during our project. So this thing have helped me a lot, and I am very thankful with my mentor, Miss. Uh, I am very thankful with my mentor, tutor, and the professor, and also very thankful for my friends who taught me a lot. Thank you so much. Yeah.